So that means not only the people that left, their children and grandchildren should come back into Israel.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And that makes logical sense for you to change the population immediately into...
I mean, is that not what happened in 1948?
We can talk about the past if you like.
That's not that just happened 75 years ago. You're saying that's like a million years ago. You're acting like people that were alive back then are not alive now. It's extinct. Jewish people born anywhere in the world have the right and are able to go to Israel, while Palestinians displaced cannot. Do you agree with that?
Israel's a sovereign country and has its own immigration laws. What's wrong with that?
It's an apartheid state, and what I just said clearly defines that.
It's an apartheid state.
Okay. Morally, is it good?
What's good? It's a country that has its own.
Morally, yes or no? Is it good? Morally, is it good?
Is it morally good?
Yeah, I'm asking you a question. Is it morally good that any Jewish person from anywhere in the world can go to Israel and live there? I'm not done. That's not the only thing I'm saying. You listen to the whole thing, right? And while Palestinians that are displaced cannot go to back to their homes, right? Does that?
Sorry, Karen.
Okay, so I'm just asking. Is that morally good?
I think it's morally fine for Jews around the world to come back to their homeland.
Okay.
And I think that the Palestinians, this exemption that it's like living in the past. I'm living in now reality.
I mean, you're going back 2,000 years for Jewish people, calling it their homeland.
The Palestinians haven't got over the fact that they lost.
But lost what? Lost what? Were kicked out of their homes? That were killed? Innocent people? What do you mean lost? Is this a baseball game? Is this a soccer game? What do you mean lost? This happened 75 years ago, not 2,000 years ago, right? There are still people alive that were displaced. There are still people alive that were born there before 1948, my grandfather included.